I've been having views, but all of a sudden, I noticed my views started dropping. I was like, what's going on? And I never knew I made a simple mistake. Yeah, I really made a simple mistake. It's something I shouldn't have done. I was the one that hurt my channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you what stopped my posts from having the views they've been having way back. So if you check out my channel, this is my channel and these are the views I had way back. And take a look at the views I'm having now. They are quite very low other than the previous ones. So I'm not here to waste much of your time. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please watch the video to the end to learn this particular mistake, learn from the particular mistake I did. You go to your Chrome browser and type in studio.youtube.com. You're not going to go to your main YouTube. You're not going to your YouTube app. This settings, this stuff you're about to do is only on your YouTube studio. After you type studio.youtube.com, you go ahead to search. Okay, now my YouTube studio is open. And my YouTube studio, we have the channel dashboard, we have everything here, analytics, community, we have customization and the YouTube studio. So from the YouTube studio, I think where am I going to get what exactly we are talking about today? So you're going to go to your settings, check the downside on the left hand side of your screen, the down parts of the left hand side of your screen. I'm using my phone. This is my phone. So in case you are using your phone, you see settings at the left hand side of your screen down. You click on the settings icon, allow you to open the settings icon. It will open your channel settings. So now on the channel settings, we have general, we have channel, we have upload default, we have permissions, we have community moderation, promotion, agreements. So what are we focusing on today? You're going to channel. So today we are working on the channel. So on channel here we have country of residence, the basic info. So you choose your country of residence. Then we have keywords. After the country of residence, the next one is keywords under basic info. So under keywords, you have to type in keywords. You must type in keywords which you're going to use on your channel. Those basic keywords you're going to use on your channel, you're going to type them in here so that whenever you make a post, if you're talking about YouTube growth, the algorithm will know, okay, this particular video is about YouTube growth. It will take that video to show to people that are typing this particular or searching for this particular topic on YouTube, because people are searching for different topics on YouTube. Billions of people are searching for different things on YouTube every single minute. So if you have this keyword, anyone, if these keywords are in your channel, you've embedded in your channel, you get to see that anybody that types probably search for under this keyword, your video will also get to pop up for that person to watch your video. Your video will also be recommended. So this is how to make YouTube recommend your video for people. So I have my keywords here. My niche is under YouTube growth, social media growth as well, inspiration, tutorials. Yeah, it's embedded into one. So I have my keywords here, my different keywords here. That's if anyone should search for anything under this, they will get to see my video as well. My video will also pop up. So this is just one simple thing you have to do. It's very simple. Just go and type in this keyword. If you type in, when you're done typing, like you're done typing with YouTube growth, for you to make it to turn to a keyword, you press on the comma. Yes, you have to press on comma, the comma sign, to make it, like, how should I put it, to make it stay, to make it a keyword. So you have to press on comma, should I call it comma, comma, this the comma, to make it stay. Then Another thing we are going to talk on is going to advanced settings. On advanced settings, we have lots of things here. You can set your channel to anyhow you want. So under advanced settings, I do advise my fellow YouTubers to allow other companies, yes, always allow third party training, allow other companies to use your video as, how should I put it, okay, for training. Use it to put it on their websites. They will put it up um on their pages, probably on Facebook, on their profile, Instagram, X, anyway. It helps to drive traffic. So when once you allow it, selected party companies, so I've allowed companies to use my video. These are the companies I've allowed. I've allowed them to use my video in case any of my videos they stumble by my video and they want to use it, yeah, for training, for anything, they are free to use it. So why this helps is that if you get to allow these videos, allow these companies to use your videos, you get to see that um whenever they post your video on their platform using it as training, people that are watching those videos will now come into your channel and watch your video, which will give you much watch hour, it will give you much views, it will boost your channel to a greater, wider audience, and all of that. It's very, very important to do. It's something very important to do. Then you have the feature eligibility. So this is one part most people don't know. If you've not done this on your channel, please make sure you do it. This eligibility, if you've not done it yet, please make sure you've completed them. The standard feature, you click on it and make sure you complete everything that is being asked under that. The intermediate feature, click on it and also make sure you complete everything that you are being asked to do under that. And the advanced feature, click on it too. Make sure you complete that. All of them should be enabled, like my own. All of them have been enabled. I've enabled the three of them. Very, very important. It's very, very important to enable this. You must enable this because it helps to give you advanced features to your channel. It also helps YouTube to know that you are ready for work, that you are ready. Because without all these settings on your channel, that means you are not really ready for YouTube to push your videos. You are not ready for YouTube. That's just it. So you have to set up all this to enable YouTube to push your videos, to recommend your videos as well.